Hey everyone, welcome back to EduTech. Do you feel grammar is confusing or boring? Don't worry, today I'll make it super easy for you. In this video, you'll learn simple ways to speak correct English naturally. No long grammar rules, no stress. So stay with me till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll be speaking English more confidently.
Welcome to EduTech, your daily English learning partner.
Rule 1. Use doesn't not don't with he, she, or it. Let's start with something really simple. Many people say, he don't know or she don't like tea. That's incorrect. The correct way is, he doesn't know or she doesn't like tea. Whenever you talk about he, she, or it, always use doesn't instead of don't. Let's look at some examples. He doesn't like coffee. She doesn't understand me. It doesn't work properly. He doesn't have time. She doesn't go to school. Now notice how natural that sounds. If you're talking about I, you, we, or they, then you use don't. But for he, she, or it, remember, it's always doesn't. Let's practice a few more. It doesn't look good. He doesn't watch movies. She doesn't speak fast. It doesn't rain here much. He doesn't know the answer. These are small details, but they make a big difference in how fluent and correct your English sounds. Rule 2. Use has not have with he, she, or it. Now let's move to another very common mistake, the use of has and have. We say has with he, she, or it, and have with I, you, we, or they. Let's see a few examples. He has a big house. She has long hair. It has 4 legs. He has many friends. She has a beautiful smile. Did you notice? All these sentences are about one person or thing. That's why we use has. Let's practice more. He has a car. She has an idea. It has a red color. He has a new phone. She has great manners. So remember, one person has more than one have. Simple, right? Rule 3 uses am, are correctly. Next, let's talk about is, am, and are. This one is super easy. We use I am, he, she, it is, and you, we, they are. Here are some examples. I am ready. He is tired. She is a teacher. It is raining. They are happy. If you're talking about yourself, say I am. If it's one person or thing, say is. If it's more than one, say are. A few more. You are kind. We are students. He is late again. She is busy right now. It is very hot today. Try saying them aloud. It really helps build confidence. Rule 4. Use a and the correctly. Now let's learn how to use a, an, and the. We use a before consonant sounds, and before vowel sounds, and the when we talk about something specific. Examples. I saw a dog. She bought an umbrella. He ate an apple. The sun is bright. The teacher is kind. Say a dog when it's any dog, but say the dog when you're talking about a particular one. Easy, right? Rule 5. Use was or were correctly. When you're talking about the past, this rule is very important. Use was for I, he, she, and it. Use were for you, we, and they. Examples. I was at the park. He was late. She was happy. It was raining. They were tired. So remember, Was is for one. Were is for many. Rule 6. Use much or many correctly. This one confuses a lot of learners. Use much for things you cannot count and many for things you can count. Examples. I don't have much money. She doesn't eat much rice. He has many friends. There are many books on the shelf. I don't have much time. So if it's countable, many. If it's uncountable, much. Rule 7. Use few or little correctly. Now another easy one. Few and little. Use few for countable things and little for uncountable things. Examples. I have few friends. She has little water left. He has few chances. There's little sugar in the jar. I have few questions to ask. So if you can count it, say few. If you can't, say little. And that's how simple grammar can be. Just a few easy rules, and your English will sound much more natural and confident. Remember, grammar isn't about memorizing. It's about practicing daily. Keep repeating these sentences, and you'll start speaking fluently without even thinking.
Wow, you did an awesome job today. Keep listening every day. And in just 30 days, you'll speak English like a pro. Don't forget, your one click can help your friends and family learn English for free. So hit subscribe, like, and share, and let's grow together with EduTech.